What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So, what happened to NEO? Well, we had that earnings report. I did my analysis on Wednesday, expecting price to bounce out of this level right here that we were trading at. We were above the EMA. We were finding support. We were at this trend line or the channel support. Um, everything was saying we were going to see another push up higher. But again, earnings, that's not something you generally want to trade because it could do the opposite. And then obviously this time price did dump down lower. So now what's going to happen now? Well, since price wants to continue trending down lower, we can look for a measure move target. All this is one drop right here, and if we already started the second drop, price would be targeting the 427 level, and that's where this gap can be filled as well, somewhere around, right around the 411 levels. So again, looks like we're seeing some bearish momentum in play. We have a lower high, so we could draw a trend line off that level, and even a trend line off of the steeper drop that we're seeing right now. So two trend lines in play to the downside. Let's go and clear the chart. So let me draw that again. We have this trend line, and now this one right here, a little sharper. And like I said before, targeting right around the low $4 level. Not a good sign at all for NEO. Is it guaranteed to get there? No, it's not. But it looks like it's headed in that direction. So that is the target as of right now. You see that price is just struggling to continue higher. It should have made it had a very good chance of making another leg up higher from this impulse right here. But all of a sudden, it just stalled out and then rolled over. So it looks like it's probably going to come back down to fill in this gap, reach the low $4 level, and maybe even retest that low of this downtrend somewhere in the high threes, low and to the mid threes. So we'll see what happens for NEO. Still bearish. Overall, it was still bearish, but I was expecting price to at least make another push up higher. So here is this weekly chart. And until NEO can get above this trend line right here, I'm going to be bearish because we're still making lower highs and lower lows in the macro scale. And you see that price is just staying below that EMA. So we cannot see price push above it. And this we're still trending below it. So price pulled back. It did the biggest pullback it could. And now price is rolling over to probably make a new low. It's just a very strong downtrend. At the end of the day, whenever price can't even correct higher that much, it's just a strong downtrend at the end of the day. So I think NEO still has some room left to drop down lower, and you still see there's still room towards the all-time lows. So all-time lows trading right around the low to mid $1 level. Price may eventually get there. It's not looking too far-fetched that price cannot get there. It's almost there. Price is in a strong downtrend, and maybe look at this measure move target. This might be too much. This is one leg down right here. Second leg, this is targeting sub $1 level. I don't think it's gonna get that low, but you never know with this Chinese stock. So overall, it was bearish, but I was expecting at least a short-term rally higher, and that looks like it could be over. And there's a very good chance of that right now, and we could just be seeing the downtrend resume. Because in the sense, you have to look at basically two pictures in your mind. The first picture is the short-term price action, which is right over here. And then you have to also keep in your mind the long-term picture. So the short-term picture was not able to override this downward momentum. The downward momentum was too strong for that short-term momentum, and it obviously took it over and just basically knocked it out. So this downward momentum is stronger than any bearish bullish momentum to the upside. So that's how you can look at it as well. This is just still knocking down the price, and it's not looking good as of right now. So that's all I have for NEO on the daily and weekly charts. Things can change, but that's how I'm looking at the chart. I don't like how earnings report dumped down the price when it had a good opportunity for a nice push up higher. And if it's dumping down the price, it's probably going to continue to trend down lower now. So all I have for NEO on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.